49, in or out. Pelajaran ke-59, masuk atau keluar. Our dog Rex used to sit outside our front gate and bark. Anjing kami Rex dulu biasanya duduk di luar depan pintu gerbang dan menggonggong. Every time he wanted to come into the garden, he would bark until someone opened the gate. Setiap kali ia ingin masuk ke dalam taman, dia akan menggonggong sampai seseorang membukakan pintu gerbang. As the neighbors complained of the noise, ketika tetangga mengeluhkan kebisingan itu, my husband spent weeks training him to press his paw on the latch to let himself in. Suamiku menghabiskan waktu selama berminggu-minggu melatihnya menekan cakarnya pada kait agar dirinya bisa masuk. Rex soon became an expert at opening the gate. Rex segera menjadi ahli dalam membuka pintu gerbang tersebut. However, when I was going out shopping last week, entah bagaimana ketika saya pergi berbelanja minggu lalu, I noticed him in the garden near the gate. Saya melihatnya di taman di dekat pintu gerbang. This time he was barking so that someone would let him out. Kali ini dia menggonggong agar seseorang keluar. Since then he has developed another bad habit. Sejak saat itu dia memiliki kebiasaan buruk lainnya. As soon as he opens the gate from the outside, setelah itu dia membuka pintu gerbang lalu keluar. He comes into the garden and waits until the gate shuts. Dia masuk ke dalam gerbang dan menunggu sampai gerbang itu tertutup. Then he sits and barks until someone lets him out. Kemudian dia duduk dan menggonggong sampai seseorang mengeluarkannya. After this, he immediately lets himself in and begins barking again. Setelah itu dia segera keluar dan menggonggong lagi. Yesterday my husband removed the gate and Rex got so annoyed we have not seen him since. Kemarin suamiku membuka pintu gerbang tersebut dan Rex kelihatan kesal. Sehingga sejak saat itu kami tidak lagi melihatnya.